It's recording.
Hey everybody, it's Alex Ruff, the Member of Parliament for Bruce-Grey-Owen Sound. Looking forward to participating for the first time in this celebrity pumpkin seed spitting contest. So here we go with seed number 1. All right, here we go. Looks to me like we're at 13 feet 9 inches. We'll go do number 2.
So I go back.
Wow, I think we got a good one there. Naomi, let's get the camera down here. We're at 19 feet, no, 20 feet, 1 inch. Keep it recording, Naomi. And for seed number 3, you have to move the tape back. Oh, not quite. Naomi, come mark this one. And it looks like it is maybe 13 feet 10 inches. Anyway, thank you to Naomi, my video recorder. And thanks to everybody. Don't know how that's going to hold up, but anyway, I hope this new format is for this year only, and I look forward to participating in person next year. Thanks, and all the best today.